The font raised is designed to reduce splash and hold more spilled water than any other zip fonts. The font raised can also be used to update or refresh an existing installation of a HydroTap that uses the standard font. The font raised will snugly fit the holes used for the standard font. The font raised mesh is dishwasher safe and is easily removable for cleaning. For any font installation, a connection to drainage must be made. To install a font raised, use the supplied template to mark out the holes for the font raised. We've pre-drilled these holes for the font. Next, fit the thread to the font raised and fit the font to the benchtop. Secure the font by using the washer and nut supplied. The font raised is designed to be installed with either the Classic, Classic Plus, Elite, Mini Boil or touch-free wave tap. For whichever tap you're using, you'll need to fit the thread extension. Pass the hoses and the USB cable through the tap extension. Fit the tap spacer to the bottom of the tap extension and fit the tap to the font raised. Fit the washer and spider clamp. Make sure you have a silicone hose or USB cable in each separate quadrant of the spider clamp. Fit and tighten the nut. Next, fit the drain hose to the font. Use the supplied worm drive clamp to secure the drain hose. Fit the front grille to the font. And there you have it, the new font raised.